Hey, this is Kim, and today we're doing the Lowland Kids Slim Flares tutorial. When I tell you this is going to be the fastest sew, I mean it. Okay, so the first thing you'll need is to make sure you have your 2 front pieces, your 2 back pieces, and then either a waistband or elastic depending on how you want to do your waistband. And we're going to start off by sewing, putting of course right sides together and sewing the curve of the crotch. Once that's completed, we're going to put right sides together again. And we'll be sewing the inseam curve as well as the side seams. I'm doing most of my sewing on a serger, but you can also use a zigzag stitch or another stretch stitch of your choice. Now, because I was making this teeny tiny newborn size, I decided to hem the bottom before I did the side seams because I was scared of how teeny tiny those little leg holes were going to be. So here it is all hemmed up. But the instructions normally tell you to do it at the very end. So you can choose based on what you're making, what you'd prefer to do. All right, so here it is completed with the side seams, the inseam, and the hemmed edge. Next is the waistband. If you're doing the elastic, then you'll just attach it to the top and fold it down. I'm doing the waistband for this tutorial. So we're gonna take the 2 pieces and put them right sides together. And we will just sew up the sides. The sides are the ones that have the little divot. The purpose of that is to be a little bit more narrow in the waist and give a little more length in the hip for you. So once that's done, fold it in half so you can flip it right side out. And it should look like this. And then you're gonna place that inside of the pants if they're already turned right inside out, so that the waistband and the pants are right sides together. As always, you'll want to be sure that you are matching up your side seams. And I like to alternate sides so that it's not too bulky. And just go ahead and serge that on. And once you've completed that step and you've trimmed all your threads and whatnot, then you are done. Did I not say this was the fastest pattern ever? And they are so adorable. They came out so cute on this little baby. Oh my goodness. I love the flare. I love that it's slim fit. If you want to see any more content from me, you can follow me on Instagram or TikTok. I hope you learned something and have a great day.